finally an update for the Supra, guys. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today is a little bit of a new update. I know I've been focusing a bit more on that one right there, but today it's the Supra's turn. Finally, she's going to be headed off to the body shop for some body work and paint. So today I'm going to be taking the fenders, front bumper, doors, and rear hatch off. And a huge shout out to my sponsors, Sebon, or Savon, however you like to pronounce it. They were very kind enough to sponsor the build. And, you know, we got a lot of parts from them that will be going on the car. And I'm really looking forward to all of that. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started, guys. So I basically got the front end of the car taken off. I'm gonna leave the doors on for the body shop to remove. Don't really wanna mess with those. But yeah, she's pretty stripped now, even more so than before. But next you guys see her, she'll be looking much different. Obviously, hopefully primered up, and then we'll show you the whole paint process. And I look forward to that as well as fixing that thing up and getting her back on the road. So now I'm gonna show you guys some of the parts that are gonna be on this build. A lot of them are from Sabon, or Sebon, however you like to pronounce it. So this trunk is from Sabon. It's a full carbon fiber trunk. And then we have the full carbon doors. This one right here, real nice weave on all of them. Got the fenders from them as well. Got a front lip from them as well. And yeah, guys, so that's pretty much the parts that are going to be going on the outside of this car. I'm sure you guys noticed this as well. This is a trial rear bumper. It's fiberglass, and it looks pretty good. I might make some changes to it, so definitely stay tuned for that, guys. And yeah, front end's pretty stripped. Got the OEM front bumper from the 96 to the 98, I believe. Picked that up new. Took that thing off. Yeah, it wasn't, you know, my style. Not trying to knock anybody that does rock it. I know a lot of people do like that bumper. It's just not for me. I prefer the OEM look with a nice lip on it, which we do have from Sebon. So I'm excited to get that thrown on there. It's gonna look real nice and clean up the front end, make it look a lot more aggressive. Right now she's just smiling. She already knows what's about to happen. Should be updating you guys in a little bit. I'm very excited that the bodywork and paint are finally about to begin. I've been waiting for this moment for quite some time. You know, it gave me quite a bit of time to actually come up with all the parts that I needed, so I guess it was, you know, no, it just sucked. I can't even say it was a good time. Beneficial in any way. just kind of slowed things down with this car quite a bit. But she's gonna be going off to the body shop. As you can see, she needs a bit of repair over here, subpar repair. That was not done well. This repair was done some time ago, in 2004. Obviously, it wasn't really done all that well. It was just thrown together. You can see that there wasn't really much effort in trying to make it go back to the OEM state. So that's what we're gonna be doing. She'll be looking a lot better in a few more weeks. So stick around for that, guys. I'll keep you guys updated. And yeah, that wraps up this episode. If you guys like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. I know I liked it.